Best Stocks, the best channel for you to keep up to date on the stock market. NIO Stock Forecast and Price Prediction. NIO Stock Forecast, NYSE, NIO, for the following 12 months averages at $40.51, according to 16 Wall Street analysts. The high price prediction is $87, and the low is $28.30. The NIO forecasted price has a 135% profit margin over the current NIO price. The NIO price projection has increased during the last few days, particularly after Wednesday's 5.99% surge. As a result, there are bullish feelings toward NIO, with analysts predicting these to cause NIO stock prices to soar in the months ahead. NIO resumed full production just a few days after the company announced the manufacturing hold of electric cars in Shanghai and other Chinese cities due to severe lockdowns. In addition, the company recently announced partnerships that would allow consumers to swap batteries and buy their batteries from the company. As a result, the NIO ET7 was the only vehicle to achieve this milestone in less than 4 years. The company is expanding its battery charging and manufacturing capabilities to accelerate the production of electric cars. Despite this, the company must contend with worldwide semiconductor shortages. NIO stock price prediction for the next 3 years. The descending wedge on the YTD chart is expecting to cause NIO stock prices to rise. However, to make the bullish prognosis come true, it must be broken that the wedge's top border and resistance level of 17.87, 10 March high, must be crossed. After the wedge break, the resistance level of 22.26, 2/31st of March highs, is expected to mark the peak of the measured advance. You should keep an eye on more things than just the markets. Please choose one of our top brokers for 2022. You are the best time to open a trading account. If this breakout move is successful, it must break an uncapped 19.48 level, March 21st low and 20 Avril high. If the advanced action is above the measured move's completion level, further barriers at 24.00 and 24.96, April 5th high and February 1st 2022 high, will be accessible. On the other side, the bears seek a rejection at 17.87, followed by a downward movement that breaks down both the 15.88 support level and the bottom border of the wedge. The wedge would then be worthless, and prices could fall to $14.31, the lowest price since March 14, 2022, or $11.83, the weakest from July 31, 2020. There are no upward pivots beyond 10.91, which was the prior low on July 24, 2020. Over the past few months, the NIO stock price has increased slightly. The stock has created an inverted head/shoulders pattern on the 4-hour chart. That is generally a good indicator. This trend could continue to drive shares up shortly. This perspective will be confirmed if the stock crosses the declining red neckline. What's in store for NIO in the years ahead? The long-term outlook for NIO seems to be stronger than that of its rivals, given that the firm works in a highly competitive field. As previously mentioned, NIO will introduce the ET5 midsize luxury car to the market by the end of October of this year, and it has already begun exporting its ET7 model. As a result, the corporation puts a lot of effort into foreign growth. After entering Norway last year, the firm has ambitious expansion ambitions for the European market through 2022, which offers tremendous development potential if the company successfully implements its goals. NIO's situation isn't exactly rosy. In the current market, the company's growth may decelerate. There are also concerns about regulatory hazards and scrutiny for Chinese technology businesses operating in the United States and listed on the stock market. NIO's future success relies heavily on these critical aspects. Thus, prospective investors should think twice before putting money into the firm. Did you like the video? Leave your like, subscribe, and activate the bell, so you don't miss the next videos.